Hi, this is Joel Joy from CSC department, second year. I'm going to do the fifth experiment in the programming in Java lab. I'll show you the question. I'll read out the question for you. Develop a software for the Department of Computer Sciences and Technology which manages the various activities, academic activity and non-academic activities such as outreach activity, class prayer, etc. Hint: keep the required classes and various packages and have a test class which uses all these packages appropriately. Now this has been assigned to two of us. I have done the non-academic section of this department, computer science department. So I'll show you the program. This is the program. Now I have divided into two modules, spirituality and the sports. See, I'll show you the package structure. So the non-academic section and the main package. Inside the non-academic section we have spirituality and sports. I'll show you the spirituality class. Spirituality, it has choice, string, then this name, registration number, year, event, all these are for registration purpose, and we have setter and getter methods for all these attributes. And for showing the events in the spirituality, I have used a switch case statement and label. So all the events are shown. Then for registration, I have made another function make. Here I ask the user to enter the details. The user is asked to enter the details, and the details given are stored in an object, and and in the main class array of objects are made. Now for the sports, similarly for sports also some attributes are there. This is for mainly for registration purpose and some for switch case statement and all those. So setter and getter methods are there for these attributes, and events method is for showing the events. That is, here events is actually the games, that is football, cricket, hockey, volleyball, baseball, etc. And the sixth option is for except. Here I use the switch case statement to get the to give the appropriate output to the user, and while loop to repeat these steps. Then I have a make method. This is for registration purpose. If anyone wants to volunteer actually in spirituality it is volunteer, and in sports, if anyone wants to participate in any of the sports, then they can give the details over here, and the details will be stored in each attribute of an object, and finally the array of objects are made in the main class. Now I will show you the main class. Now in the main class I have imported academics and non-academics. That is a package non-academics over here. I have initialized count as 0 and another variable count 2 as 0. These are static members. Then inside the main function, string and integer all are declared. Then an object is made of the class sports using the new operator. Then an object is made for the spirituality class. Then an array of objects is made, and the objects are made and allocated inside these memory locations. Then since I have done the non-academic section of the software, I'll explain you the non-academic section. Inside the non-academic section, we give the user the choice whether to choose spirituality or sports or etc. Otherwise, display the registered students. Accordingly, the details will be asked, and the volunteering part also is attached to this. Then inside the display method, the registered student, whoever have registered, is displayed using the system.out.println, that is for spirituality, and similarly for sports also it is displayed. Now I'll run the program and show you the output. Now I'll show you the output. Since I've done the non-academic section, I'll show you the non-academic section output. Second one, I'll choose a spirituality. We'll get the details of class prayer, then for prophetic conference, then for JCPF, then we can exit. If we want to volunteer, we can just give yes, right? Yeah, this is for confirmation. Then we can enter the details. Suppose I am entering my name Joel, my registration number UR15 CS045, year of studying is second. Let me go for JC. I am registering for JCPF. Thank you. And if we want to register for another person, we can do it. Otherwise, we can come out. Now for sports, we can get the details of the football game or cricket game or hockey or volleyball or baseball. And sixth one is for exiting. And if we want to volunteer, we can give yes. This is for confirmation. The names, yeah, if we want to volunteer, we can give the details. Caps 60. This is the registration number. Second year. The game to be played is cricket. I don't want to register for another person. And we can display the registered students. For spirituality, you can choose one. For sports, again we can choose two. And the details are mentioned over here. And for exiting, 3. Thank you.
Christian.